Well, I figured out why this laptop was having issues. I was looking at the power board itself. Actually, it was working, and all of a sudden this power board stopped working. It's like when I plug the charger in, the cord in, it would turn on. And there's a little bit more oxidation there, so it looks like there's a little bit more damage in here than just that. It's probably the relay stuck open or something. I'm not sure if it's the relay or if it's something else. I would say like let's see, there's linear one, which I believe this is right here. So yeah, it sounds like it must be this here. I'm not sure. I think this one is the flyback or something. I'm not sure what that component is there because I can't see any markers except for T1. Okay, so this must be the transistor then. L is linear. I think that must be something. There's the voltage regulator right there. And all these capacitors line up right between every single component here. Heat displacement is not the best thing in the whole world. See, there's a little bit of up there's a problem. I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but look at all the corrosion. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go scrub all that off, reflow the solder points and everything, including this toggle switch here. The switch might test it with the switch turned off. I tested it to see if there's like any resistance between here and here. So it's open loop. So I know that for a fact that the switch is functioning, but it sounds a little crunchy, so I'm going to go clean that. Yeah, this switch is kind of in that position here. See, the legs are at the bottom here. And like I said, I tested it with my multimeter. Tests without a problem. But main concern is this Motorola 140018 X8 C426 IC. Because of the corrosion, there's a little spot right there. So I gotta go try to clean this off and remove all these battery tabs off here. Maybe even put brand new ones on here. Because they're like crunchy, falling apart. Or still in good shape. It's like these two are, well, these two are here, but this one right here is a little bit not too far behind. This one's actually in pretty good shape. Yeah, I gotta go replace those anyway. I'm not sure if the transistor is affected by it, or this linear right here. But I know for a fact that it does turn the laptop on, but feels like it's overloading the screen because when I plugged it into this EMS laptop, this display was getting a little bit brighter and brighter by the minute. So I'm not sure what's going on with that. It's probably because of this board here. So like I said, I took the working power board out of this laptop, placed it into this Austin laptop, and look at this computer. It's not a back seat. It's not a back seat. Laptop anymore. It does open and close, but there's a little bit of a gap between the screen and the chassis itself. So I gotta go fix it a little bit more, but other than that, it's perfectly fine. And there's a new power, the board that I took out here, so let's go ahead and turn it on here. Got lights, got a display. And of course it doesn't keep the timer date. So I gotta figure out how to fix that. It's funny. It says the trackball is disabled. Let's go ahead and re-enable that here. I'm not sure why it's not keeping the timer date. I think it's because the battery cable might have broken a little loose on the motherboard there or something. It's just a mess of wires in there, oh my goodness. But it lives. Let's see, I think it's around 7. Thankfully I have my watch here. It tells me what time it is. 7:43. Let's go ahead and jump that back to 43. Let's see, today is December. Where did the year go? 12th. Years 2020. Funny thing is, it saves every other one on here, including. Let's go back to page down. Save. Forward to exit. Let me disable that quick boot off of there. Now let's go ahead and push F4. Let's go ahead and install the hard drive. And the other thing is, I'm going to go take this i486 DX4, put it in here, and swap this processor, place it into here. This is the 5x86P75. So I'm going to check and see what happens when I put this processor in there. If I get the full 133 megahertz, that would be like icing on the cake. That we consider the ultimate 46 laptop, pretty much. Now it's time to find my screwdriver. Here it is. Get this, the hard drive. And let's go ahead and get the cables. All this for the hard drive. I'm going to button it back up. Got the modem, the door panels, the battery cover. And now I had to find that power switch. Because apparently that decided to disappear on me somehow. It's around here somewhere. I saw it with the, I put it with the thing, but apparently it decided to escape at me. It's somewhere over here. I know I had the one for the EMS laptop with it, but that EMS laptop is not going to be serviced until I find a suitable power board for the computer, unfortunately, sad to say. So there's the keyboard and the cover for that. There's the cover for covers for the EMS laptop. Okay, here's the power switch for the EMS laptop and the battery cover for it. I thought I had the toggle switch with the parts for the Austin laptop. Apparently, I think I did not. Or it decided to walk up and disappear on me. One of the three. Let's see here. Oops. I keep kicking everything with my foot and it hurts. I gotta find that somewhere. What a deal. Where did I put that stinking thing? Right next to the cover. I hate myself now. Because I'll disconnect the power so I don't accidentally turn the computer on. There is a laptop fully functional, except for no hard drive, except for one floppy drive. I'll get addressed for you, alright? As for this one, I want to get another power board for it and fix the issue that it's facing. So there's a piece of loose plastic in here. So not only do I have to fix the plastic on this thing, I have to get another power board for it too. So yeah, I gotta go fix that piece of plastic that broke off. It was right here. It's right underneath it. So I use this sit right here. So I'm gonna fix it. I have to get some epoxy or something and then fix it. And get a working board. Or try to get it working. I put it right over there. Okay, so I'm going to put this in here. Whatever, just found. Yay. So yeah, this laptop needs to get fixed now. Hard drive will get the treatment of wipe and everything. So I have to set the date and time. Let's see dates. It's currently the, let's see, it's 12/20/20. How long is always on? 2020 time. It is now. Let's see, where is that watch? Let's see. Okay, so the date and time. Okay, so the time is correct, the date is not right. So now I got that fixed. Put some games in here. Actually, let's go ahead and run edit. Escape. Let's test the mouse functionality. Okay, the trackball is functioning. Buttons work. Let's go ahead and power off the computer here.